Unraveling the mystery of dining out expenses. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase that you might encounter in everyday English, especially when managing your finances or planning your outings. We're talking about dining out expenses. Understanding this term is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about getting a clearer insight into everyday activities and how they're discussed in English. Let's get started. Dining out expenses refer to the money spent on eating meals outside of your home. This could be at restaurants, cafes, diners, or any other places that serve food. It's an important category for budgeting because it involves the cost associated with leisure and convenience, rather than basic home cooking. When we talk about dining out, it's not just about the act of eating. It's about the experience, the service, and often, the company. To fully grasp the meaning, let's break it down. Dining out. This part of the phrase emphasizes the activity of eating away from home. Dining is more formal than just eating, suggesting a sit-down meal rather than fast food or takeout. Though in everyday language, it can refer to any of these activities. Expenses. Expenses are the costs or the money spent on something. So, when combined with dining out, we're specifically talking about the money you spend to enjoy meals outside your home environment. Understanding the concept of dining out expenses is crucial for several reasons. Budgeting. For individuals and families trying to manage their finances, distinguishing between different types of expenses helps in creating effective budgets. Financial planning. Knowing how much you spend on dining out can help in making informed decisions about where to cut back or indulge. Cultural context. Dining out habits can vary significantly from one culture to another. Understanding this phrase can give insights into social norms and practices in English-speaking countries. 1. Track your spending. Keep a record of your dining out expenses to understand your habits. 2. Set a budget. Decide on a monthly limit for dining out and stick to it. 3. Look for deals. Many restaurants offer specials or discounts. Taking advantage of these can save money. 4. Balance. It's okay to enjoy dining out, but balancing it with home-cooked meals can be both healthy and economical. We hope this video sheds light on what dining out expenses means and why it's a useful phrase to understand, especially for those learning English and trying to navigate daily life more effectively. Remember, managing your dining out expenses is not just about saving money. It's about making informed choices that enhance your life's quality. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you next time.